This car looks so brutal, just beautiful. Ah, I feel like home. Listen. Hello guys, I am back today, welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the all new 2024 model Lamborghini Urus. But as you can already see, this is not a normal one. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the all new 2024 model Lamborghini Urus S. And in today's video I want to give you a full tour of this car, showing you all the exterior highlights. Afterwards we will be checking out the interior and then finish it off with a sound check. At this point we are right now in beautiful Italy, in Sicily, with Lamborghini, and they have given me this beautiful Lamborghini Urus S. At this point, special thanks for flying me out, for letting me film this car. Amazing opportunity, also with the amazing weather here. And today we will be mainly focusing on the all new 2024 model Urus S. So before we start with the walk around, let me tell you more about this car here in specific. As you remember, last year Lamborghini showed two new Urus models. This year being the first, the Urus S, and then we also have the all new Urus Performante. We have a new look of the Urus, we have a few changes, we have also a bit more horsepower. We still have the same 4-liter V8 bi-turbo Lamborghini Urus engine, but this one is producing 666 horsepower, 850 Newton meters of torque. We do the 0 to 100 sprint in 3.5 seconds, and the starting price for Lamborghini Urus S is at 195,000 euros in Germany. Here we have an amazing spec. I love this color. It looks so gorgeous in the sun. This exterior paint is called Rosso Efesto on this Lamborghini Urus. Beautiful Italy here. Bella macchina. Let's just start with the walk around and with the front here in specific. This car looks so brutal. I mean, the base Urus was already a very beautiful and sporty looking SUV, as Lamborghini is calling it. But with the Urus S, they have just improved not only the looks but also the performance, which I will be demonstrating you later on. Let's just start with the new changes. First things first, the bonnet is new. The Urus S now comes with these outtakes in the bonnet. These are not just for the look, these are real, as you can literally look inside the engine bay. We have this bonnet full finish in Rosso Efesto. I love the exterior paint. All in all, when looking at the front in total, we have just a few slightly changes, as in my opinion the Urus was already perfect, but they just made it look even better. So talking about the front, looks really cool with the updated front grille and the intakes, because these are also completely new and rechanged here with the nice body color. The shape is very sporty. Everything else finished in black gloss, and then you also have the Lamborghini badge here in the front. Iconic. In my eyes, it looks super beautiful. How do you guys like the front of the all new Lamborghini Urus S? The headlights are almost the same. Then starting to look on the side, we have here again a few changes, just minor changes. Let's just talk about the wheels for a second. These are the smallest wheel options you can go with an Urus. We have these on because we are driving a bit off-road. These are full finished in black, but as I mentioned, smallest option. We also have the carbon ceramic brake on this Urus S with the red brake calipers. Lovely. On the side here, something that I don't like on the Urus is that we have this fake vent. I wish it was as functional as the vents we have here on the front bonnet. So the frames here are finished in full black gloss, and also the side fenders of the car. Also here on the side we have this additional new part coming with the Urus S, which is also full finished in black gloss here. Makes the car look super nice with the Urus S badge. Here in the back again, 21 inches, 5-spoke, smallest option as I said. Looking pretty decent, but there are way better options coming with the Urus S. But now it's time to talk about the rear of this. So here we have the rear of the all new Urus S, and we have a few changes. First things first, the rear taillights are exactly the same as we have with the old one. Also here an additional rear spoiler, and also here on top we have one which is finished in exterior paint. Then we have the Lamborghini initials here full finished in black gloss. to match the entire look. And the exhaust tips are completely finished in black gloss and also different shape. The sound is also way better in my eyes. The rear diffuser is finally full finished in black gloss. Back in the days, the Urus came from factory with the silver finish on the rear diffuser, which I really didn't like at all. And now it looks perfect in my eyes. You don't need to modify or do something. This car is just beautiful. How do you guys like it? What a beautiful view. I'm very sorry for the wind noises we have here. It's super, super windy, but we have beautiful Catania here, and then in the back over there we have the still active volcano Etna, which we just climbed up. We are here on driving experience of Lamborghini, and we have experienced a lot with this Urus S. So now let's talk about the interior. So we are finally right inside the Urus S, and I hope the audio is way better now. We have this flat bottom Lamborghini steering wheel, which is still the same. I really love the animation of the new Urus S. We also have it here. We have 3 displays, one sitting right in front of the driver. Let me just start the ignition for you. I feel like home. I really feel like home. So we have a display sitting right in front of the driver, the main display, which you can control by the buttons right over here. Then we have the center display here, and then we also have the display for the AC controls and a few more things you need for your Urus. The shift knob right over here. You can just put the car into reverse and park and start up the car. You actually put in the gears from the shift pedals. We have the Lamborghini initials here, and also the interior of this one is equipped with the full carbon fiber interior package, which looks super, super nice. In addition to that, we have the leather with the red details to match with the exterior paint. I'm a huge fan of it. I really love it. The feel of the leather is so luxurious. It's super nice. I just wonder if the airbag cover is finished in leather or plastic, because it feels very cheap, to be honest. I mean, you're sitting inside a Lamborghini. Base price is around 200,000 euros, and then you have a plastic airbag cover. Anyways, we have a lot of Alcantara in the inside of this Urus S. We have a lot of carbon fiber inside this, as you can see by the center console, the dashboard, and with the Performante version of the Urus, you have even more Alcantara inside to make it feel like a race car, even though it's still an SUV. I mean, Lamborghini is calling this an S SUV. So let's talk here about the seats. Here we have the Urus seats, just a few changes. I think you have around 400 options now with the exterior paint and with the individualization of your car. And we have here full black leather finish with the Lamborghini initials here on top. We also have the panoramic roof, which you can open with this button. There we go. Ooh. And then you have a lot of light in the inside. And with the amazing weather we have today, it's just to die for. I really enjoy this moment a lot right now, sitting inside a Lamborghini Urus in Italy with Lamborghini. Wow, this feels like a dream, honestly. All in all, even here in the rear, we have the 5-seater option. Here we have the seats finished with the nice red details, Lamborghini headrest here with the initials. Super cool. And now something that I really love about all Lamborghinis is the start-stop button. You just lift this up and then you start the engine. And right over here you can change the driving mode, which is super cool. The feedback you get from touching this makes you want to touch it all day. We have Strada, Sport, Corsa, Sabbia, Terra and Neve. Sand, snow, sport, comfort driving. Corsa is the thing to go. We will be starting with Corsa because we will be starting up the car in Corsa, because then the car is loudest. I really enjoy it in Corsa. Okay, guys, are you ready? Let me just put one window down. And we will be firing up the V8, 4-liter V8, 666 horsepower, 3, 2, 1. Listen. Yes. Now listen to the sound of this Urus S. We also have the head-up display there. Just look. There we go. And we have no rev limiter. Just look. It's moving up to 7,000 RPM, but the best sound I think you get around 4,000 and 5,000 RPM. You see? 3,000 and 4,000. I love this sound. How do you guys like the sound of the new Lamborghini Urus S? I really like it. And while driving it's even louder. Let's just jump outside and listen to the sound from the outside as well. So now it's time to start up the engine of this Lamborghini Urus S, 666 horsepower. We will be starting it up in Corsa, so listen up guys. How do you guys like the sound? Leave it in the comment section below. It's beautiful. So now we will be starting the drive inside the all new Lamborghini Urus S. I love this animation. Let me just start the ignition and then we have this sound. It feels like home. The key I will be putting right inside here, so we will be not pushing it too fast. I will be just experiencing a bit of the drive with you, sharing my experiences with you. So let's get on. 3, 2, 1. We can start up the engine from right over here. V8 Lamborghini Beast. We'll be starting the drive from here. So even in Strada the sound is really good, but later on we will be experiencing the car in Corsa and the sound is just to die for. It's beautiful. The car drives super comfortable. So guys, as the Italian autobahn is a bit crowded, I just want to do a sound driving for you. Sound. Love the V8. How do you guys like the sound of this V8 4-liter 666 horsepower beast? It definitely wants to go faster, but unfortunately we can't. Fully restricted Italian highway here and super crowded, unfortunately. But maybe we could drive it in Germany one day, maybe. So guys, now we have space and we can push it. Let's go with Corsa. Oh, what a beast! Amazing sound. How do you guys like it?